Minister of Agriculture, Mr. Emmanuel Audu.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please permit me to stand ready and establish protocols meeting. I bring us greetings from the Commissioner, Mr. Audu, was a permanent secretary in the ministry, who is a member of the Council of Fellows, which is State of Nigeria, so that Kumbo in Biroke, Emmanuel. I'm very glad to be here with us today. Stakeholder planning workshop that focuses on one of the priority areas in the Ministry of Agriculture, Lagos State, and of course the state in general, which is fisheries and agriculture. The importance of fisheries and agriculture cannot be overemphasized. First, you will see there very clearly displayed the image of fishermen with their boats and their, of course, cast net, which shows, of course, the importance of fisheries in the state. We also look at the peculiarity of Lagos State with a coastline of 180 kilometers along the Atlantic Ocean and 22% of the total land area being water available for agricultural development. The value chain is a major job creation mechanism for people living along the estuarine and coastal areas of the state, and of course, a wide number of agriculture operators within the state. Just you to note that despite all of these endowments, Lagos State produces just about 50% of total fish demand, and heavy reliance is placed on fish imports for the protein needs of the people. And so this calls for all manners of approach and will be put on board to ensure that we're able to ramp up our fish production within the state, and let's take it up, drive it up, at least meet up, if not totally, at least 80% in the next 2-3 years. That's why we're very glad that this kind of workshop is coming to the Center of Excellence, and also the State of Aquatic Splendor in Lagos State. On our part as a state, we have developed a 5-year agricultural and food system roadmap to drive the growth of agriculture in general, but particularly also very important fisheries. What this roadmap is doing, or intends to do, is to draw funding from government, private sector initiatives, and of course from global agencies, multilateral organizations coming in to invest widely for the development of agricultural value chains in the state and of course Lagos State. So in agriculture and fisheries, I'll start with fisheries, artisanal fisheries, which of course I know is not the focus of this group, but very important that I speak about also, that we have an aging fisherman population and we have youths who are not very keen on taking on the profession, the age of profession of fishing, which of course also is a traditional occupation in the state. And so we saw this as a major challenge that government need to confront head-on. And so we developed what is called the Artisanal Fisheries Input Support Program, where we provide modern fishing inputs, fiberglass fishing boats, covered engines that will make the profession attractive to our youth in the fishing communities. And we do this annually in a program that we call the Agricultural Value Chains Enterprise Activation Program. Now, the essence of this is to provide this sophisticated fishing inputs for youth. Most of them actually tech savvy, to use technology alongside them to ensure that efforts that we put in fishing actually turns out actually into actual fish production. So this we gave out last year 34 boats, 680 youth fishermen in the state, and we intend to replicate that this year also. In fact, we have gotten approval of Mr. Governor to implement the program, that cycle, program this year, and we intend to do that within the next few months in the state. Coming to aquaculture, which of course what we are focused on at this meeting. Aquaculture produces just about 30,000 tons of total production in the state. And though, like I said earlier, it has the potentials of achieving close to 300,000 tons of fish when fully developed. So we are looking strongly and strategically at that sector. And then we develop certain initiatives, the Fisher Estate Program, where we provide land, technical support, and also investors in the fishing and aquaculture value chain. Also look at the fact that we have abundant natural water and safe water bodies in this wide lagoon network. And so we are taking advantage of this system through the age culture project, which we are implementing to empower or activate businesses for use within the fishing community. There's some things that if you keep them within the fishing communities, not come to urban centers, but also create jobs for them, then they can learn and kind of income and sustain their livelihood. So we do this age culture project. We have done it repeatedly since 2000 and the pilot scale. In 2016, we adopted it as a means of empowerment of our young youth fishermen in our fishing community. All of this we hope that as we keep doing this and also solicit for private sector investment within the value chain, then also can fully ramp up our production. Also mindful of the fact that the aquaculture value chain is confronted by varied challenges, marketing, cost of fish feed, inbreeding for quality fish seeds, and I'm sure that this workshop will look at that critically and provide solutions that will where we position the sector for greater productivity. So on that note, I want to say a very big welcome to all our dignitaries who are here today. Welcome to the state of aquatic vendor. We have my commissioner. I wish all of us fulfill the deliberations. Thank you very much.